Hi, Ariana.
Hi, Dodo.
Are you excited for your dream dates?
I'm very excited.
We were wondering if you could put on this heart monitor so we could track the highlights of your date.
Okay. It's a heart rate challenge. Oh, I'm nervous. Maybe my date will come to the sound of a rose. Oh my goodness! Hi! Oh my gosh! I got these for you. What's your name?
This is Alfie.
Hi, Alfie. Yeah, those are for you, babe.
So Alfie is only 4 months old.
4 months, you're a baby.
He was part of an oops litter that was surrendered, so he's been single his whole life.
Oh, Alfie. Come on, get into those flowers. Alfie and I are gonna play a game called Hidden Gems. You have to pick a bucket, and then in the bucket it has a treat. Okay, I think he's going for this one. Okay, what is there? Oh, get in there. Okay, he's eating the treat. I feel like this is the one. There's a question for me in this. Okay. What cocktail would you make someone on the first date to show off your skills? I think I would do like a spicy Paloma, but I would make sure, you know, like I'm really muddling. I'm really making it very, you know, like from the heart. Pick a bucket, any bucket. Okay. Well, you have your own sandwich shop called Something About Her. What menu order, if your date ordered it, would impress you the most? Well, if Alfie was this hypothetical date, I think it would impress me the most if Alfie ordered the Cameron. The Cameron is definitely our meatiest of our sandwiches, and I feel like Alfie loves food.
I think he's made his decision.
He's made his choice. He's not shy or scared of anything. Okay. Oh, I see the treat. You missed it. Alfie. Challenge. Pet Alfie with this back scratcher until his tail wags. He's outsmarted the game. Okay. Should I make it long? What is that? I don't know about this challenge. All right, Alfie, which one? Go forth. What's in there? You didn't even get it. Okay, it doesn't count. What, this one? With the dodo bird? Would Alfie do well on Love Island, and why? I think he would be recoupling a lot because he sees a treat or he sees a new toy and he's going after it. So like in some ways he would do great, you know, but in others, you know, I guess it just depends on who you ask. But I definitely think he would be the talk of the show.
We have one last challenge for you two.
Okay.
We're gonna give you this gift and you and Alfie have to open it in 10 seconds.
Alfie, come here, we gotta open it. Alfie, look, what's in it? I feel like you've left me to do this all by myself. 10 seconds are definitely up. This is way more wrapped than I thought it would be. I did all the work. You know, isn't it just like a man? Alfie, look. It's a sandwich. Which reminds me, we gotta get back to the sandwich shop. Alfie, do you wanna come check out my business? My place of employment? I'm gonna go show off for my boyfriend. What a great walker.
Let's look at the stats real quick. When do you think your heart rate went up the most?
Okay, so I feel like on our date, my heart rate probably went up the most when I first met Alfie. It says on the monitor that my heart rate actually went up the most when we were playing the game and we were going through all the buckets. We're here, Alfie. Alfie, thank you so much for walking me back to work. It's been so nice hanging out with you. We should do it again sometime. So I made this sandwich to go for you. Yeah, good job. Or you can have it now too, that's okay. This is made specially for you. This is our signature Alfie sandwich. I think he likes it. It's like a gazelle.